Certainly, a healthy breakfast is essential to provide your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to start the day. Here are some ideas for a nutritious and satisfying breakfast. 1. Oatmeal with fresh fruit. Cooked oats topped with sliced bananas, berries, or apples. Add a sprinkle of chia seeds or flax seeds for extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Drizzle with honey or a dollop of Greek yogurt for added protein. 2. Greek yogurt. Parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola and a variety of fresh fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and kiwi. Add a touch of honey or a drizzle of nut butter for flavor. 3. Avocado toast. Whole grain toast topped with mashed avocado. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a dash of red pepper flakes. Optionally, add a poached or fried egg on top for extra protein. 4. Smoothie bowl. Blend together your favorite fruits, leafy greens, and a liquid base like almond milk or yogurt. Pour into a bowl and top with granola, nuts, and seeds for added texture. 5. Egg and vegetable scramble. Scramble eggs with a variety of colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, spinach, and tomatoes. Add herbs and spices for flavor. 6. Chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk or coconut milk and let it sit in the fridge overnight. Top with sliced fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey in the morning. 7. Whole grain pancakes or waffles. Use whole grain flour for your pancakes or waffles. Top with Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, and a sprinkle of nuts. 8. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook quinoa and top it with sliced almonds, dried fruits, and a splash of milk. Add a dash of cinnamon for flavor. 9. Cottage cheese and fruit bowl. Combine cottage cheese with fresh pineapple, peaches, or your favorite fruits. Optionally, sprinkle with sunflower seeds or flax seeds. 10. Whole grain toast with nut butter. Spread almond butter or peanut butter on whole grain toast. Top with sliced bananas or strawberries. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking water or herbal tea alongside your breakfast. These ideas provide a balance of carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals to help you kickstart your day on a nutritious note. Adjust portion sizes based on your individual needs and dietary preferences.